Oh, I like my Cardinals fried, a Super Bowl on a Sunday night, a set of rings that fit just right, and that trophy, oh. Well, I was raised underneath the Duquesne incline, a Steelers fan, you know, sweet D, icy light, and homemade Heinz, where the three rivers flow. Baltimore's got nothing to squawk about, 'cause we beat their butts and now we're southern bound. And I like my Cardinal Fry, a Super Bowl on a Sunday night, a set of rings that fit just right, and that trophy up and drunk on the south side. See the rage of Coach Tomlin's eyes, feel the rush of a Tampa Tide, showing black and gold love. Well, it's funny how it's Willie Ben and Hines, oh, that win the most. Now what you give, it's how we drive, and the grass stain on our clothes. There's no dollar sign on a Steelers pride, this I've come to know. So if you agree, have a drink on me and get your ass to the Gulf Coast, 'cause I like my Cardinals fried, a Super Bowl on a Sunday night, a set of rings that fit just right, and that trophy up and drunk on the south side. See the rage of Coach Tomlin's eyes, feel the rush of a Tampa Tide, showing black and gold love. Thank God for this ride, these rings a total 5. May our towels forever fly. As we get 6 rings, we salute the ones who died. The Chargers and Ravens cried, now we gotta catch a flight to show our black and gold love, 'cause I like my Cardinals fried, the Super Bowl on a Sunday night, a set of rings that fit just right, and the trophy up and drunk on the south side. See the rage of Coach Tomlin's eyes, feel the rush of a Tampa Tide, showing black and gold love, 'cause I like my Cardinals fried, Super Bowl on a Sunday night, a set of rings that fit just right, and the trophy up and drunk on the south side. See the rage of Coach Tomlin's eyes, feel the rush of a Tampa